What's up, guys? As usual, I got them new drinks. We got the RC Royale Crown Cola Berries and Cream Limited Time Flavor. It's not exactly a new drink. It came out last year. It is only available at Dollar General, and it is just $1. One of the few things that you can still get at Dollar General for just $1. I'm sure the 2024 version will be $1.50 a can. But let's get into it. RC has been around since 1905, right? But a lot of people say, oh, they don't make RC anymore. I can't find it anywhere. It's available, okay? It's available. It probably doesn't have a very big section in your local grocery store simply because. Let's see what we're working with, though. Smells good. Mmm. Woo. That's really good. It was really good. Smooth going down. Doesn't give you that burn. I like it better than Coke. I'd put it on par with Pepsi. As you know, I usually like the zero drinks, but this is not available in a zero, and I wanted to test it out. So yeah, RC Berries and Cream. Go to your local Dollar General if yours happens to be open normal operating hours, which a lot of them aren't, and pick you up one of these, man. Not bad at all. Not bad. Make sure it's ice cold.